Okay, this is River Tech Hub. We're here to install 12 pieces of 650 watts panel. Here are the engineers. Actually mounting the system on the solar rack. In a short while, we'll be done with this installation. We'll have 6 pieces of the panels over here, and here we'll have another 6 pieces. In here is the units. So we are currently battling with the setup. Shortly we'll be done with this installation. This is a 6 kVA C-watt inverter unit with a 15 kilowatt hour lithium battery. This is River Tech Hub.